Are you still looking to find new ways to get customers through social media? In this video, I'll show you how to get new customers through the most lucrative new social media strategy. With over 15 years of e-commerce marketing experience, I've helped hundreds of brands grow and scale through social media across Meta, TikTok, IG, X, YouTube, and Pinterest. Today, we'll be covering how those brands are generating multiple six figures a month through TikTok lives and the process that you can use to leverage it for your brand as well. So why TikTok lives and why now? I feel like lives have gone through this up and down journey when it comes to social media marketing in general. What we've seen over the last year is TikTok has moved as a platform that was really geared towards getting views and paying people for those views. There was a lot of creators that were on the platform that were actually making a decent living by just cashing in on the CPMs from the content they were creating. What we found now is that TikTok has migrated. They're moving away from the traditional media style. If you're a creator, you're on the platform and you're pumping out content and it's getting views, they were paying you for that. We're seeing that those payouts have been tanking. And the reason that they've been tanking is because TikTok is evolving. TikTok is moving to a social shopping platform. If you've been on the app lately, then you've probably noticed TikTok wants to get you to buy stuff. They want to incentivize you for making a first purchase, for saving your credit card information, and now become a buyer on the platform. Think of TikTok merging Amazon and Instagram together, right? Instagram obviously has social shopping. It's been around for years now. Same with Facebook. But TikTok has been making this massive push to drive more users and turning them into customers. Why are they doing this? They know it's a more lucrative long-term strategy for them. They want it to be a social marketplace. They want brands to connect with customers and they want to own all the data on the platform. And as the evolution of social shopping has evolved this last year, lives have become a pivotal piece of the overall TikTok social strategy. And the reason they become a huge piece is because they've been rewarding streamers. They know that streamers that are on the platform that can sell a lot of product. The more product that gets sold, the more TikTok makes off of it. They want active streamers on the platform streaming consistently. And what you will see now is there's influencers that have become streamers that are now making a massive business by streaming on the platform. You might ask yourself, well, how are they getting paid? Well, last year, TikTok released their creator affiliate platform that lets brands find creators directly on the platform to promote their product. With that being said, the brands put together a commission structure for that creator. The brand then sends the creator the product. Everything gets managed through the creator affiliate portal. And it's really easy for brands to connect and for creators to get paid out from those brands based on all the product they're selling. Now, like I said, as the platforms evolve, TikTok has seen that lives generate a lot of revenue. Think about a TikTok live as like the home shopping network on national television 15, 20 years ago. HSN, Home Shopping Network, all of these like live shopping shows on TV and certain channels essentially created these opportunities where people would be selling nonstop on TV in a live environment, getting people hyped up, giving people free stuff, giving irresistible offers, and capturing that attention and energy, getting people to actually call in and make a purchase through the phone to buy something. TikTok's done the same thing, except now they built a platform where those customers, their users that have bought before, have their information saved in their profile. They have their credit card information, their billing info, everything's there. It's very easy now for their customers and their users to buy on the platform. And they have found that this live shopping environment has been producing a lot of revenue. And this live environment essentially helps educate the customer. It shows demos of the product, it shows transformations, and it builds a lot of trust and ethos with the customer. Because the customer can ask questions live, they can get rewarded, they can get special offers, they can get freebies. There's a lot of cool things that can happen here. And that's why these lives have become such a pivotal piece of the overall social selling strategy on TikTok. So what does the process look like here? How do you get started? Well, first you want to start with the right partners, right? If you're going to be working in this environment, you need to understand who are all the stakeholders here. And if you're a brand, you're most likely going to be working with some type of agency. Like, you need to start with an agency, you need to start with some experts, and that agency is going to either let you go live through your brand page and is going to hook you up, train, and find a host who can run this for you. Or secondly, they're going to introduce you to the top streamers on the platform to set up these deals and to start moving forward. So first off, stakeholders, right? Brand, you have agency, then you have creators/streamers, and you have TikTok. When you're setting this up, you need to understand if you're going to be working with a creator, you're going to be paying them out in affiliate commission. You're going to have to get set up in the creator network, and you're going to make sure that that commission is going to break down against your COGS and your overall margin, leave room for this deal to actually work. Now, if you're working with a host, you either want to get someone at your company or you want to get a host and train them on the product to actually run these lives and set these up and get them running consistently. So once you have these markers all set up, you're going to want to promote the live, right? You're going to actually create a live event. And the best way to do that is to promote it through your organic, social, and your retention channels. Usually you want to be promoting a few days to a week in advance. You can easily create a promotion page when you create the live within TikTok and then use that actual link to get people to sign up. We usually we'll send an email and an SMS for the brands that we're doing lives with, and then we'll promote it through organic social as well to get people to sign up. So when you go live, you're not just going live where no one's heard about it or knows that it's even happening, right? You also want to get some cool things in there. You want to build some programming that's going to get people excited. You're going to want to do giveaways. You're going to want to build special offers and TikTok live special bundle deals. You're going to want to make exclusive deals that are only there live, that they're not going to be able to find anywhere else. And during the live, like I said before, you're going to want to leverage product demonstrations, right? If you're a supplement brand, talk about how do you actually use the product? What's the transformations of the product? And what are some of the stories behind the brands? We work with Ashley Benson, a famous actress, on her brand Ash by Ashley Benson. And we've brought Ashley onto lives with the host as well. And we've had her do them separately. And now we're actually getting into getting super streamers to stream on behalf of us. So we've done a mix of multiple different stream concepts here, but the whole idea is you want to build this programming. You want the live to go to no more than 2 hours. I think anywhere from a half an hour to 2 hours, depending on what you have going on and the amount of traffic you have. You want to keep it special. You want to keep it moving. And the benefit of working with a streamer that has a really built-in audience is, one, it's really easy for them to go live from like a home studio. And secondly, they're going to be promoting multiple products. So you might get a 2-minute segment before they move to something else. And every 15 minutes to a half an hour, they'll come back to your product again. That way it'll keep it fresh. As you can imagine, if you don't have that many products and you're going live for 2 hours, you're just talking about the same thing over and over and over. It can get boring. And then you rinse and repeat. You want to be doing this weekly to every 2 weeks. The more that you do this, the better it's going to work. Because like I said, TikTok is rewarding brands to do this. They want you to consistently be putting yourself out there and even going live daily if you have the ability to. The more you do this, trust me, the better it's going to work out. And we're still at the infancy of TikTok Shop and this live streaming in general. I am bullish that this is really going to be a big wave in the future. And we're going to be seeing more brand integrations with streamers that know how to leverage the audience and how to sell live on camera. But remember, if you're really serious about building a new customer acquisition channel, then you need to commit to the process. TikTok lives get better over time, and it's all about finding the right affiliate partners to get the reach and distribution you need to have an impact on the sales that you're looking to achieve. If you want expert guidance on how to build a TikTok live acquisition channel, then check out the link in the description below in this video and learn how we can work together. And if you're interested in more tips, watch my next video where I discuss how to create a campaign calendar for your e-commerce business today. At the end of the day, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, these videos are all about you. They're all about mind sharing the right information so you can grow your business and you can reach those next strides. And if there's an opportunity for me to work with you, I'm always about it. You know where to find me. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Love you all. Peace. See you next time.